y'all. Today I'm going to show you how to make French toast grilled cheese. Easy, simple, delicious. You get your protein, you get your bread, you get everything in it, and you get that sweet kick to it as well. All right, we're going to start with 4 eggs here. I'm just going to pop with a drop. We're going to add a little bit of milk. If you have heavy cream, you can add in heavy cream. We're using red milk. Not much, just a little bit. Let's whisk it up before we add in the spices, just to get the eggs going. All right, I'm gonna add in some kosher salt. Ooh, a little too much. It's fine. Some pepper. I like to add a little bit of nutmeg. Cinnamon. And some sugar. Mix it all together really well. Make sure you get as much of the cinnamon that was clumped up. Whisk it well. Looks just about right. Now we have 2 slices of bread in plates and just pour it over. Let's divide it. That's about right. All right, and we're gonna let it soak for a little bit. You want it to be like soaked through and through with the egg mixture. So we're gonna let it soak a little bit, and then we're gonna flip it over. Let it soak on this side as well. There we go. We're gonna let it sit like this for a few minutes, and we're gonna come back to it, and we're gonna put it into the Betty cracker. Okay, so they're sitting here like for a minute already. So we're flipping it over one more time before they go in. So they're like fully soaked in eggs. So the bread has been soaking in the eggs for 2 minutes now. We're gonna butter up the Betty cracker now. I like a lot of butter. Never get short on butter. Or never too much. All right, and just like that, you take the bread. And there. Second one. Okay, and we're waiting to get a little bit of a golden crust, not too much, because we don't want the whole thing to cook through, because we're putting the cheese and we want it to sit with the cheese for a long time. Okay, we are ready to flip. This is exactly what we're looking for. Okay, actually going to wait for this one to flip after we put the cheese. We're going to start with some American cheese. We got some grated cheddar cheese. Yum. And some whole milk mozzarella. Yum, yum, yum. What we're going to do is we're going to put the cooked side right on top of it. Now, we don't want to push down in it too much, because we don't want the eggs to squeeze out. So it's basically time to flip it. Just flip it over. This is what you're looking for when you flip it. We're going to cover it for a bit, just to produce more heat all around so the cheese melts better. And we're good to go. Now, this looks done. Oh, wow. Okay. Let's check. There you go. Look at that. Yeah, look at all the cheese. Ooh, it's hot. All right. some confection sugar on it. Put some maple syrup. Just fold it up on it like this. All right. And we are just about ready to bite into it. As you can see, it's still moist on the inside. That's all the eggs. You don't want to cook through the thing. You want it to be moist and delicious. All right. Cheers. Mmm. Oh yeah. Hmm. You have that delicious sweet French toast between the cinnamon, the sugar, the maple syrup, and then you have the cheese on the inside, the grilled cheese. This is scrumptious.